Hello guys, and thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, Spanish for English Speakers with Jen. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count in Spanish and everything you should know about numbers in Spanish. So let's get started. So let's start saying that we have two groups, the cardinal numbers and the ordinal numbers. The first group is used to express a number of people, animals, or things. Basically, they are used to indicate quantity. But the second group is used or are used to indicate order. So let's practice a little bit. Okay, so here we have the cardinal numbers from 0 to 29. And let's practice pronunciation. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And let me stop right there. Please notice what we do after 20. 20 is written 20. And then from 21 to 29, what we do is to take the word 20 for 20 and replace the letter E for I and combine the word we have with the following number. So let's read them. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. From number 30 onwards, the cardinal numbers are written separately. And what that means is that if you notice after number 30, you have to put a conjunction between the numbers. So they cannot be written together as we did with the number 20. So, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And then we have number 40, which is 40 in Spanish. And one more time, if we want to say 41 in Spanish, we will have to put the numbers separately with a conjunction between them. So it would be 41, 42. And let's continue. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101, 114, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 574, 1000, 1200, 1525, 2000, 1.000.000, 2.375.200. Okay, so here we have the ordinal numbers, and those are to express order, remember? In English, we would say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and in Spanish, we will say it this way. Primero, segundo, tercero, cuarto, quinto, sexto, séptimo, octavo, noveno, décimo, undécimo, duodécimo, décimo tercero, décimo cuarto, décimo quinto, décimo sexto, décimo séptimo, décimo octavo, décimo noveno, vigésimo, vigésimo primero, trigésimo, cuadragésimo, quincuagésimo, sexagésimo, septuagésimo, octogésimo, nonagésimo centésimo. And I will show you those just until the number 100. Also, let's learn some basic arithmetic operations. In math, we use negative numbers. So for example, if you want to say minus 2, you will say in Spanish menos dos, minus 3, menos tres. So you will just put the word menos before the number, and that will be it. So we have four basic arithmetic operations, and those are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's start with addition. In Spanish, you would say suma o adición, and that's the noun or sustantivo in Spanish, and sumar, which is the verb, or verbo in Spanish. So here I have 5 plus 2 equals 7, right? So let's learn how to read that in Spanish. So the symbol plus is read más in Spanish, and equals is read igual a. So we would say it in English 5 plus 2 equals 7, right? In Spanish, we would say 5 más 2 es igual a 7. Perfect. And remember that this is called suma o adición in Spanish. And the verb will be sumar. Then we have subtraction. The noun in Spanish is resta o sustracción, and the verb would be restar or sustraer. Okay, so here we have another basic operation with subtraction. So we have 5 minus 2 equals 3, right? And the sign for subtraction would be read menos. And you know the other one equals is read igual a. So we would say 5 menos 2 es igual a 3. Perfect. Then we have multiplication. In Spanish, the noun would be multiplicación, and multiplicar would be the verb or verbo. So let's see how you can read this operation in Spanish. So the sign or the symbol is read por in multiplication, and actually we have two ways to read this operation. So we would say 5 por 2 es igual a 10, or 5 multiplicado por 2 es igual a 10, which is basically 5 times 2 equals 10, or 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. Okay, so now we have the last arithmetic operation, which is division. So in Spanish, the noun or sustantivo would be división, and the verb or verbo would be dividir. And let's see how we can read that. So the symbol for division is read entre, and we have two ways to read this operation. So we would say in English 8 divided by 2 equals 4, but in Spanish we have two ways. So we would say 8 entre 2 es igual a 4, or 8 dividido entre 2 es igual a 4. Perfect. So as we have learned the basic arithmetic operations and also how to count, let's practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any question about this video, you can put it on the comment section below, or you can send me an email at SpanishForEnglishSpeakersWG@gmail.com. You can hit on subscribe or you can hit on like if you like this video. I hope to see you soon and thank you for watching.